Today, I think it's no news that AI is no longer the future. It's already shaping our today from the way we interact to the apps we use daily. AI is quietly running in the background, but nobody even realizes it. So let's talk. It's BTV, let's get to it. Apart from our trusty old friend ChatGPT that always turns up for assignments, AI is literally the magic behind that your Touch ID or fingerprint scanner. It's the reason behind Face ID. Even the reason why YouTube sends certain video recommendations, same as TikTok FYP, basically any algorithmic system. But also those chatbots and assistants you see on most e-commerce websites. Your phone's autocorrect feature too is AI powered. Yes, and even Instagram filters. Your Google Assistant is AI powered, so as your Google Maps. But even your battery health, screen time, management, and predictive analytics your phone feeds you all the time are all AI powered. That's just in the mobile section. AI can be seen in various other things like automation of vehicles, medical diagnosis, the list goes on. But for the length of this video, I'll just leave it at that. I know that distinctively everyone has their own definition of what AI is to them. But for those that don't or are confused about it, AI in the simplest term possible is about creating machines, models, or programs that can perform tasks that require human intelligence. Such tasks like learning, recognizing patterns, decision making, and problem solving. Because it mimics human intelligence, it is termed AI, artificial intelligence. There are various terms associated with AI, basically highlighting improvements, forms, which briefly explain learning patterns and data computing of different AI models. This sounds like a lot of grammar, but as far as simplicity goes, this is all you need to know. We cannot overemphasize the areas in which AI has been of huge help to humanity, but here are the most important aspects. Healthcare. AI systems today are beginning to be adopted by healthcare organizations to automate time-consuming, high-volume repetitive tasks, but also considerable progress in demonstrating robotic surgery and remote patient monitoring. Education. Because every student is unique in their own special way, AI systems can be developed to match every unique student's learning style and pace, and these systems can be adopted in schools today. Productivity. Various apps are now incorporating AI to increase productivity. For example, Notion AI can now assist in generating drafts, outlines, spurring ideas for creativity, even catching grammar and spelling errors, and summarization, even translation of text. AI isn't perfect though. There are still some concerns that arise with the development of these systems. For example, who owns AI-generated image, video, or music? Or how secure is AI? Is it transparent enough for our personal information? Should we be worried if AI is biased? Maybe picking a side of things, for example, black or white. What exactly happens to our data that AI collects and trains upon? The issue of deepfakes, where I can make someone say or act in a certain way that he or she never did, and how this tech is so prone to misinformation, fraud, etc. Even in the workspace, and this conception that AI will replace jobs. All these are the things to contend with. Having known the potential concerns and risks of artificial intelligence, here are simple ways you can protect yourself today. First, you shouldn't be worried because it's we humans that develop these AI systems, meaning there shouldn't be any reason for anyone to program a faulty model. Secondly, we all need to stop believing every single thing we see online. Right now, you can't even tell the difference between AI-generated content and original human content. So just be very careful. But I'll also advise you to try to learn the basics of AI. That way you'll be able to know when something is phishing. For example, imagine ChatGPT. asking you for personal information. Now, something's up there. Likewise, the use of AI tools should remain responsible, productive, and professional, not otherwise. So, let's do a quick recap of the video. AI is the use of computers to perform human intelligent tasks. It's a huge part of our daily lives as it assists in areas like medicine, education, and productivity. But its recent improvements spikes concerns in areas like data privacy, job replacements, and ownership of content. All hope isn't lost though, because you can keep yourself updated by understanding these systems. That way you know when there's a flaw in the system, and also by not believing every single thing you see online. With those few tips, I'm very sure you'll be able to protect yourself in this ever-changing world. I would like to make everyone know that AI systems were built to assist us, and they are just solely there for assistance of humans and not the other way around. Overall, we now know that AI isn't just coming, it's already here. But now the big question is, are you using AI or is AI using you? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, you might as well subscribe to get inspired about my subsequent releases. And yeah, YouTube thinks you like this.